am a pathological email hoarder, meaning that I never get rid of emails because I always think, what if I ever need whatever's contained in that email?
Right.
So I have emails from people who, let's say, had taken a very negative position in stage 1. Your evolutionary psychology stuff is bullshit. I have that email. It's 2001. And I have the email from 2019 when you say, "Dear God, we would be honored if you would be the plenary speaker." I'm like, oh, but what happened to I was a bullshitter in 2001?
Oh, wow.
So you just have to be dogged. You have to collect the evidence and hopefully...
But here's my position as an outsider. How could you know? Like, why would you say it's a blank slate? How could you know? And why would you ignore all this interesting information that we now know about the role that your parents play?
Because the blank slate's very hopeful, right? Because the blank slate, I think it was, I can't remember if it was Watson, the behaviorist, who said that, give me 12 children, I could turn any one of them into a doctor, into a beggar, into a lawyer, meaning that everybody is infinitely malleable. Now, that's a hopeful message if I'm a parent, right? If I create a child, you're telling me that he's got equal chance to be Michael Jordan or Lionel Messi if only I have the right schedule of reinforcement of how to hug him and when to hug him? That's hopeful. I don't want to be told that there is something innate about my child that guarantees that he will never be the next Michael Jordan. So I think the message, the blank slate message, doesn't originally start as just a quacky idea. It's a noble idea, perfectly rooted in bullshit, but it's a noble idea. Here's another example of a noble idea.